So today I'll be giving you a Japanese house tour. Just to give you a little bit of background, this house was constructed in 1945, but it has been remodeled recently with a touch of Kominka style by a famous artisan. Kominka style is known for having a higher flooring as well as open floor plan. So let's go check it out. So in case you're not familiar with Japanese home, this is where we take off shoes, and there's shoe closet on the side usually. And generally speaking, underfloor of older houses like this have a tendency to be higher for the purpose of ventilation, which makes the house last longer. So this is, we call it LDK. It stands for living, dining, kitchen. It's all in one. You might have noticed, but this house is pretty narrow and deep. According to one theory, it was designed for tax purposes. Another said it was due to the city planning back in Heian period. So Kyoto being the capital, there was a high popular density and then high demand for housing. So in order to construct housing as much as possible, they designed houses to be narrow and deep. Let me show you something very cool over here. So just below where the cooktops are, there is a tiny oven. We call it a fish grill. Usually, Japanese homes do not come with a built-in oven, so we have this compact oven instead. Although it's meant for grilling fish, you can cook pretty much anything you want. So this is a vanity area as well as laundry area. On the other side, there's a bathroom. So this is a typical modern Japanese style bathroom. It might be surprising to some of you, but in Japan we normally take a shower here, and then once your body is clean and you finally get to bathe in a tub. That's the Japanese way. So this is a tiny room dedicated for a toilet. It's pretty standard in Japan to have a room just for a toilet. And as you can see, there's a shower toilet, like a bidet is installed as well. So let's go check out upstairs. Please be careful, the stairs is pretty steep. Watch your step. So this is what it looks like upstairs. I love the artisan kept the traditional Japanese aesthetic from the original house. And there's a large built-in closet right here. As you can see, it's pretty deep because it was originally oshire. That's the Japanese closet name. And it was designed to store futon, so that's the depth floor. And there's another closet right here. So yeah, it's a plenty of storage capacity. So even if you live as a couple, like you would not be fighting with your partner. Over here, there's a built-in shelf that can be a TV stand. And check this out. So they kept the original window from the old house, and there's a maple pattern all over. And as it's not fully transparent, it protects your privacy while allowing the sunlight to the room. So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy our video, and don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button. We also have an account on social media such as Instagram and Facebook, so please don't forget to follow there as well. See you next time.